I'm Marna, and I have a very exciting box opening again because I'm spoiled. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and my husband is a part of it. My husband is my cameraman, my confidence builder, my editor, and he also buys me dolls on the sly. He's done this twice or 3 times. Have you done this 3 times with Smart Dolls? I can't remember.
It all blends together, babe.
When Kanata hit, where she was redone with the new wig and stuff, the first time, I kept looking at her. And I wanted her, but I'm waiting for North to come out in tea. So I didn't buy her. And she came out, I was disappointed when she sold out. She sold out really fast. So she came up again. And I'm looking at her, I'm looking at her, I'm looking at her, and I'm thinking, oh God, it's a lot of money. And I'm waiting for North, and I'm waiting for another one. And we're all waiting for coffee. And, you know, I just kept looking at her. And so I was looking at her, and Deron says, well, do you want to get her? And I said, oh, I do, but I haven't even made that dress yet for Oceana. Look at this. I've got a dress fabric here for Oceana. Oh, that's upside down. Can you see that? I love this fabric. The fabric's sitting here. I've got fabric here for The Moon is Made of Cheese that I cannot wait to use. Well, obviously, I'm so behind in my sewing. So I told Deron, I said, I haven't even made that dress for Oceana yet. And he said, well, you've got 2 dresses to make because I ordered Kanata. So guess who's here? Kanata. She took a long time to get here. We requested UPS?
FedEx.
FedEx, yeah. We requested FedEx. And
it really wasn't. It was
well,
one day more than we would expect, but there was a holiday.
So, yeah.
I mean, it.
Yeah, but I waited a long time. It took so long. Oh. I always show these boxes because they are heavy duty. They are very, very nice. I have boxes come in from other places, and they are so banged up. I have bags that come from like AliExpress. They are torn. We've only had bumps or bruises on these. They're very nice. If you have a cat, this will last about a year. We do give boxes to our cats, but I hang on to those. Your Smart Doll will come in a very, very nice tote bag. I mean, these are high quality tote bags. And this is so cute. And I've said it before, I have met people because they were carrying their Smart Dolls. One is a friend of mine now. We've grown a friendship, and that's Nicole with Not the Cool Dolls. And she is on Etsy. Beautiful clothing and jewelry. We meet up about every Monday morning at the library in our little town and crochet and knit with a group of ladies. Very cool. And I met her because I met her in another town, not our town, another town, because she had her Smart Doll. Your items will come inside this box, which is absolutely perfect if you've never bought a 1/3 doll before. These are great temporary, put your clothes and stuff in here. You get the care sheet, very nice. You get a stand with each doll. It comes in a very reusable, nice quality Ziploc bag. I love that. And then your wig also comes in a thick, this is thicker plastic all the way around. Comes very nicely wrapped. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out very carefully. Has a net and a wad of tissue to hold it so that it's ready for your doll and not bent or messed up. All right, let me set this to the side and get to the main event. I just like to show that because I know, and I was the same way. These are not inexpensive dolls, but they're worth the money. When you get one in your hands, and it's your own especially, and you start moving the joints and looking at the, you know, how they move because they have a spine, and the quality of the workmanship, you know, they're worth the money. And if you're thinking about a smart doll, now is the time. The yen is starting to slowly go up. Now, it could go back down. If you're waiting for a particular doll, John at My Lady Disdain, they also do the, he and Sandy have the, and I love it. On Monday nights, they do Smart Doll News. He is getting ready to offer a service for his, I think he said Discord.
Yes, Discord subscribers.
Yeah, where you can get notification when Danny makes an upload to the
A silent drop.
a silent drop to the website. Okay, I'm not good at these. We're going to cut out. Here she is. Oh, she's waving to you like the queen. These dolls also come with underwear. I like the way they've made these. They're very, very well constructed. This is almost a 1970s shag, is what we used to call it, haircut. Love, love, love this girl. So while I waited for her, I made her some pants, but I made them different. I didn't put a waistband on it. I thought I wanted to try some hip huggers. I didn't put a snap on them yet because I didn't know how they were going to fit. Let me point her toes a little bit to get her in her new pants. Now they may or may not fit. Oh, they're tight down here. I bought a pair of, I thought they were right here, leggings from, and I buy them in jeans too, jeggings or whatever we're going to call them. And I make leggings for my smart dolls out of them. I cut the leg, and at the bottom, I don't put a hem in most. I just use the bottom of the cuff, human cuff, for the bottom. Okay, this is a little tight. Gonna take me a second. One thing I really like about Danny Chu's smart dolls is when you take feet and hands off, you don't have to contend with anything that can bite you, like so many of the BJD dolls. Some people really get pinched as they are taking hands and feet and heads off their dolls, pinched in the string or cut with the little hooks. I really like that these snap on. I don't always get them lined up just right at first. There we go. Okay, the pants. They're all right. I'll probably go back to the waistband. I do like the way they fit in the back below the, although it's got a lot of fold over, I'll fold this before I put the snap on. I like the way it's below the stand holder. Speaking of stand holder, with a smart doll, you get these telescoping clicky stands. And I love that because they go in your doll at an angle. Easily, it's me. Most people just shove them right in. Me, I fight it the first couple times. Okay. The great thing about this angled stand is you can hide it for photos. You can take it out further. Come on out. Look how far it comes out, depending on where you're setting up and what you're setting up around. Like when I set my dolls up on I have them on a table right now. Some of them are on a long stand, but some of them are on a shorter stand that go across here and across here. And that's very helpful. They honestly, let me pull it back out, do not need a stand most of the time. I like the stand for the extra stability, but, oh, let me fix her feet. But they do just stand, especially in a flat shoe, they stand very well. Love these dolls. Okay, so I made her the pants, and then I got this t-shirt. This is her temporary outfit. I got this t-shirt from AliExpress, and they're less than $3. I think they're less than $2. And that'll go on nice. Well, I'll just show it to you. But I usually pull that bra off. I'm going to leave it on right now. I don't leave underwear on my dolls. There's really no need for it. They don't have anything to hide or cover or protect, so They really don't need underwear, but I'm glad that he sends it. It's nice to have in case they do or if you want it. Now see how baggy that is? What I've been doing is taking these shirts. Now they fit the pair. They fit the pair pretty cute. But for the classics, what I've been doing is turning it inside out and running well, I'll just show you on this side, running a seam about a 1/2 inch up and down. Sometimes I come in more at the waist right here to show off their hourglass figure. So I took this in, and as you can see, it really makes a difference. I kind of tried to pull this back. You still have the sweeping neckline, which I really like. I tried to pull it back a little bit to show her belly button, but it's a little long, and that's okay. It's still really cute. Inexpensive little top, and I did remember while I was sewing it, I actually got these for $1.19. They have them in like, I think there were 5 colors. There are more colors on AliExpress, but one seller had them for $1.19, and I bought some. We're gonna add these little shoes. If you go to AliExpress, on the front page of their website, they have, right now they have a sale going on. And in the past, I'm gonna have to, here we go. In the past, they've had these adorable little 1/3 doll shoes. Oh, yeah, there they go. For $1.29. Yeah, that's what I said, $1.29. They're adorable. I bought my bicycling riding Genesis Smart Doll pair in about every color. She will not share clothes. We're going to have an update on her. She has made 100 miles. In fact, I think she's at, what is she at, Deron? Like 125, I think now. And we're going to have another contest to see who can guess 500 miles, the date that she'll hit 500 miles riding a bike. And Deron and I ride, we ride in all weather. We've ridden in the rain before. We ride in the snow. We have bicycles with the big fat snow tires. So we go. Now, we took those bikes out the other day to get, they're harder to ride. We do not have motors on our bicycles. And they're harder to ride. And I don't have a seat holder for her, so we left her at home. She didn't get to go on that ride. All right, look how cute these are. Oh, I love these tennis shoes. Like I said, they have several colors. And here's her little, oops, turn your foot. Their little feet go sideways, and oh, they're just, these dolls are amazing. While we're on things coming up, I do want to remind you that Dolls Rescued channel is hosting a couple of challenges, 3 actually, in October. And if you'll write these down, we would love it if you joined us. We did Tiny Witches last year, and we were amazed how many people joined in. That is, take an 8-inch or less doll and dress it like a witch and do a video on the same day we do. That is Thursday, the 17th of October at 10 a.m. Central. We all upload them at the same time, and in the comments let one another know that we have videos. It's really fun to go watch everybody. Then on the 24th, which is a week later, same time, 10 a.m., we're going to do Tall Witches. That's any doll over 14 inches. The reason we're doing 10 and below and 14 and up is because the most popular dolls that you see on social media are, you know, the 12-ish inch dolls. I want to also invite you to do a short, what did we say, Deron, 15-second trick-or-treat?
Yep.
If you will take your doll and do a 15-second video of your doll dressed like Halloween or in a Halloween outfit.
Like a Halloween trick-or-treater.
Yeah, like a Halloween trick-or-treater, and send that to Deron. His email will be in the description below. If you will just take 15 seconds. Don't add music, don't talk, don't put your name
No,
in it.
you can talk. Trick or treat.
Oh yeah, trick or treat, okay. But don't put your name on it or anything so that they all look the same when Deron strings them together. All the names look the same. That way we don't have one this big and one this big. They look the same. Trick or treat! One more thing I want to show you on this doll is this gorgeous face and these huge green eyes, which is what pulled me into this doll. I absolutely love her. Deron, thank you so much for getting her for me again. My husband, he does it all. And any hobby that I get into, he jumps in with me. I love that, even dolls. Thank you so much for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Okay, Deron, can I start jumping up and down like a 4-year-old about my new doll?